Hello, my name is Kim, and now I want to show you how to approve a user. Once you're logged in the menu here, you can find a sub-menu called User Administration. This menu will only be shown if you are an administrator of your branch. Click on that. Up here you have a menu called My Branch Users. And here you can find the pending requests that you have and also all the approved users that are already approved within your branch. You can see here that I have 2 pending users. You can either approve this user by clicking here and then click on Approve button up here. If you want some more details on the user, you can click out here and see the details on that specific user, and also approve or reject the user down here. Then I click on Approve, and then the user is successfully approved. And in the tab here on the approved users, you can now find the user that you just approved on the list here, and that is how you approve a user.